pregnancy. Is that a topic that you want to talk about with your children or a loved one? No, none of us want to talk about teen pregnancy with our children or loved ones. And that's the problem. Teen pregnancy is not discussed and talked about, therefore it tends to happen. Although the birth rate in the United States of teens it has decreased, the teen pregnancy rate is still at an all-time high. Teen pregnancy is something that is dealt with in everyday life, but no one thinks it's going to happen to them. Teen pregnancy is something that should be more recognized. So we will look at the effects of teen pregnancy, why it is important to help prevent teen pregnancy, and what we can do to help prevent teen pregnancy. Teen pregnancy is something that not only affects the parents of the child, but it also affects our community and our nation. Children of teenage mothers frequently live in poverty, which is usually a lifelong consequence. Therefore, we, as taxpayers, not only pay for the pregnancy and the delivery of the child, but we tend to pay for the child as a grown adult as well. In 2004, the total public cost of teenage childbearing was $9.1 billion a year, according to proconlist.com. Teen mothers often receive public assistance. Public assistance is received from taxpayers, which is you and I. There are great consequences that the nation faces due to teen pregnancy. So why is it important to help prevent teen pregnancy? Children of teenage mothers are proven to have lower birth rates, increased risk of infant death, blindness, deafness, chronic respiratory problems, mental retardation, mental illness, and often cerebral palsy. And it is not fair for a child to suffer medical complications that often come with teen pregnancy. Children of teen mothers are also more likely to be abused, neglected, incarcerated, and to perform poorly in school. The reason these are often consequences of teen pregnancy is because as a teen mother, they aren't done doing the things with their friends that they like to do. They're not ready to take responsibility of a child. Of course, that is not all cases, but most cases. Only 50% of teen mothers receive a high school diploma, whereas approximately 90% of women who had not given birth during adolescence received their diploma. That is a disturbing fact found at cdc.gov. The statistic alone should make an individual take a stand to help prevent teen pregnancy. You must take the steps to help prevent teen pregnancy. So you ask, what can I do to help prevent teen pregnancy? There are lots of things we can do to help teen pregnancy. We can spread the knowledge of sexual issues such as sex, abstinence, and STDs. If we inform children of the other consequences of sex, it will help prevent teen pregnancy as well. We can teach the importance of personal values about sex and abstinence, because personal values is something everyone should have, especially in this category of life. We need to make it known that every individual has the ability to refuse sex and to use condoms. Choices are daily challenged, but the wrong choice can be a lifelong consequence in this instance. We need to explain that avoidance of places and certain situations can prevent sex and teen pregnancy. Sometimes avoidance isn't the best solution, but when it comes to pregnancy, avoidance is the only solution. Whether dealing with your children, grandchildren, or someone that just needs guidance, it is important to teach them to communicate with parents or other trustworthy adults about sex, condoms, and contraception. It is important that all teens and older children are aware of the importance of communication, and that is in all aspects of life. So with communication and knowledge about sex, abstinence, and teen pregnancy, you can help prevent teen pregnancy. Whether you are just a concerned taxpayer or you would like to see American youth better succeed, it is important that we take such topic by the horn and put an end to it. Together, we must realize the effects of teen pregnancy, why it is important to help prevent teen pregnancy, and to better understand what we can do to help prevent teen pregnancy. Now, instead of dealing with the teen pregnancy, I challenge you to do what it takes to help prevent teen pregnancy.